Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain types of partners in partnership firm. So we have 7 types of partners. The first partner is active partner. The second partner is sleeping partner. Third partner is secret partner. Fourth is nominal partner. Fifth is partner by estoppel. Sixth is partner by holding out. Seven is minor as partner. So these are the types of partners. So let us study each one in detail. So the first one is active partner. So as the name suggests, active means these partners take a very active part in the management of the partnership firm. They contribute capital. They take a very active part in the management of day-to-day activities of the firm. Next partner is sleeping partner. So as the name suggests, so they just contribute. These are the partners who just contribute the capital into the business. They just contribute the capital into the partnership firm, but they do not take any active part in the management of partnership firm. Okay, they do not contribute in, they do not give a very active part in the management of the partnership firm. They share the profit and losses, and they are liable for unlimited liability. That is sleeping partner. Next is secret partner. Secret partner is, so as the name suggests, so he maintains secrecy that he is a partner in the partnership firm. So the public doesn't know that he is a partner. So partner whose association with the firm is unknown to the public. He also contributes capital and takes active part in the management, shares profit and losses, and this partner is also liable for unlimited liability, but he maintains secrecy with the firm. Next is nominal partner. Partner who allows to use his or her name but does not contribute capital. So it is only for namesake that he or she is a partner. In case of nominal partner, they do not contribute any capital. They do not take active part in the management of the partnership firm. They do not share profit and losses, but they are liable for unlimited liability and for the payment of debts like other partners. That is nominal partner. Next is partner by estoppel. A person is considered as partner by estoppel if through his own initiative or conduct or behavior gives an impression to others that he or she is a partner of the firm. So he is not a real partner or own partner, but through his conduct, behavior and initiative, he is treated to be a partner in the partnership firm. Real or own partners are held liable for the debts of the firm as they are considered as real partners for third parties. So only the real or the own partners in the partnership, they are considered as the true partners, and they are held liable for the repayment of debts, and real owners only are considered as true partners by third parties. Next is partner by holding out. He is not a real partner but knowingly allows him or herself to be presented as a partner in the firm. So they are not a real partner, but they will be presented in the partnership firm as a partner. Next is minor. So minor is a person who is less than 18 years So minor is not valid or competent to enter into partnership firm. He is invalid, he or she is invalid to enter into partnership, but they can be admitted to the benefits of partnership with the mutual consent of all the partners. So if the partners agree, if the remaining partners agree to admit minor and to enter into partnership, he can be admitted into partnership firm. His liability will be limited only to the extent of capital contributed by him. So his liability will be limited. It is only limited, and it is only to the extent of capital amount which is contributed by him. And minor is only entitled to share the profits, and he is not entitled to bear the losses in the partnership firm. So these are about the types of partners. So hope so you guys have understood. Thank you.